What am I going to be looking at?
You know what? You're going to be headed to the beach, and you're going to have a fairly nice weekend. We got some nice things going on with your weather. You're going to have plenty of sunshine, and your temperatures are going to be pretty nice, too. Starting out relatively cool, and then we're talking about a nice warm-up. Satellite showing throughout the day we've had some low-level clouds across the area, all slowly exiting after the passage of a cold front. Temperature slightly lower for today. Yesterday's high was 86 today, more like 79, and that was at Central Park. 78 in Bridgeport, 80 in Islip, 81 in Belmar, 79 in Newark. Allentown, you're also looking at 79 degrees. So if you're heading out to the game at 7:05 today with the Devil Rays versus the Yankees, cooler and less humid with temperatures in the upper 70s. And what can you expect? Clearing skies, less humid overnight tonight, but plenty of sunshine for your weekend, but a cool start, but also gradual warm-up. We'll talk about that warm-up once we get here. That's all coming up in your 5-day. Back over to you. Looking at plenty of rainfall moving in through the southeast, parts of Alabama, Georgia, also Florida, and also the Carolinas, looking at plenty of rainfall. Here at home, what's going on? Well, we did have a cold front that passed through the area. Widely scattered showers in the overnight and also early this morning. But basically, that's about it. We're still seeing some leftover clouds across the area, but nothing to interfere or to impede the opportunity for us to see a picture-perfect holiday weekend. Now we're about it nicely as we're seeing less cloud coverage going into the evening hours. 78 in Bridgeport, 80 in Islip, 79 degrees down in Belmar, 79 in Newark, 80 degrees at LaGuardia, 76 in Caldwell. Nice evening all the way around. Here's what you can expect. For tonight, clearing skies. Clouds again starting to lessen throughout the overnight hours. Temperatures fairly seasonable. Last night's low around 70 degrees. Tonight we're forecasting 65 for the city. Suburbs interior sections, you can be like a lot cooler, 55 to 65, and also less humid as those northerly, drier winds start to build in out of the north around 8 to 12 miles per hour. Here's a look at your 5-day forecast, and Labor Day, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wednesday 82 with a mix of sun and clouds across the area. You can always go to myfoxandwhite.com for more info on your weather, and that's a look at your weather. Back over to you, Ernie.
Thank you very much, Tracy, and a quick update now to the...
Well, we have some updates in the tropics. We're now talking about Tropical Depression number 6. Could be updated to Felix by the end of the night. Could it be impacting our weather? I'll let you know. That's all coming up.
Thank you.
At 6.
You betcha. And also still ahead at 5, New York Weather Authority Tracy Humphrey. Nick Gregory with your 5-day forecast is on vacation, but there's Tracy. Something that a lot of people will pay big money to shake
so
your
nice.
hand and say hello.
He's really stuck up to you. Listen to that.
Well, the weather is going to be nice. Well, you know, whenever you have a holiday weekend, you're always thinking let at least one of the 2 days be nice.
Right.
This time we got all 3 days stellar.
All right.
Beautiful. Stellar weather.
I'm loving it.
Yeah, loving it. Take a look right now. We're going to kick things off in the tropics. We're talking about Tropical Depression number 6. Could be upgraded to Felix. Right now moving west at 16 miles per hour with the winds at maximum at 35 miles per hour. If those winds were upgraded to 39 miles per hour, it would then be tropical storm Felix. It is headed toward the Windward Islands, and it right now looks like it will not be impacting our weather. It actually looks like it could be taking on the same track as Dean and headed toward parts of Mexico and maybe even impacting parts of southern Texas. So we'll definitely continue to give you the updates on what's going on with Tropical Depression number 6. And cold front came in, dropped down your temperatures. Yesterday's high was 86. So again, definitely a notable difference in those temperatures. Partly cloudy conditions currently at Central Park. Temperature 77 degrees, dew point at 64, humidity at 64%, and winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour. Your pressure's rising. That's a good thing. High pressure's building in. That's what's going to set us up for a picture-perfect holiday weekend. Now we'll take a look at your Fox 5 Sky Guardian, and you will see not much going on. I'm essentially showing you how beautiful it's going to be because we're not talking about anything on the radar. If anything, we'll have just a couple clouds skirting by, but nothing to impede the opportunity for us to see a wonderful weekend. So now let's take a look, and we're going to go back and see what's going on with your temperatures across the area. 78 in Bridgeport, 80 in Islip, 79 down in Belmar, 79 in Newark. Cooler in Poughkeepsie with 74, 73 in Sussex. How about your neighborhoods? How are they doing? Well, let's move on in and see. And we're going down to the Jersey Shore because everybody's going to the shore this weekend. 79 in Seaside Heights. Isn't that right, Rick? Full bone. 80 in Long Branch, 78 in Spotswood. Really nice conditions expected going throughout the weekend, and also again looking for plenty of sunshine. Here's why. Futurecast showing that cold front that came through the area, it is pushing out, and back behind it, high pressure is building in. That's going to give us northerly winds, so tomorrow will be slightly cool, temperatures in the lower 80s, not bad though. Plenty of sunshine, also less humid, and each day you will note a gradual warm-up, so we like that. For tonight, clearing skies, seasonable temperatures, also less humid. 5-day forecast showing, I don't think you could have gotten a better 5-day. Saturday and Sunday, both days in the lower 80s. Monday, 86. Tuesday, 87. That is mild for this time of year. And Wednesday, 82. It is going to be so nice. I'm excited.
Oh, I cannot wait.
I can't believe I didn't get a little music or a little
accordion or something
little accordion
like that?
or something.
Where is the accordion?
We'll bring that out
Usually
later.
he's running around in the
Easy
newsroom
now.
with this accordion.
Family secrets that we're sharing here. Thank you, Linda.
All right, thanks
Tracy.
a lot there, guys.
All right, it's a little piece of...
Ourselves to the beach, which sounds like an excellent idea. Might have to do that myself. And the weather apparently shaping up pretty nicely.
It's really going to look good. Fox 5 Weather Authority Tracy Humphrey is here right now with the first look at the forecast. Now, Tracy, I messed up that toss to Susan because I didn't have my glasses on. I couldn't see the traffic.
But you know what? There's no way you can mess up your toss to me. Because the weather's going to be amazing.
Tracy.
Because it's going to be beautiful. And I can see Rick already in his short shorts. You're supposed to say something about that, Rick. You didn't say a thing. I didn't get him at all. He didn't say a thing. Here's what's going on. Take a look at your Fox 5 Sky Guardian. And we're toward parts of Mexico. We'll continue to monitor what could be Felix. Right now, I'll throw things back over to you guys.
All right, Tracy, wasn't ignoring you. I was getting some details.
You really got to be hungry.
Great blintzes,
yeah,
great
fantastic.
matzo balls. I can't wait for it to reopen. Good stuff.
All right.
Good stuff on the weather front. I will not be wearing short shorts at the beach this weekend.
Don't even try and pass that
Come
on.
on.
You know what? The weather's so nice. You know, people like to go, out on the edge when it comes to fashion, especially down at the beach. You see all sorts of stuff down there. And there's going to be a lot of people down there, especially hanging out going into the holiday weekend. Today's high 78. Yesterday's high in the mid-80s, so today's slightly lower temperatures, but closer to average. Currently at Central Park, degrees. Dew point at 63, humidity at 64%. Winds out of the north. Happening. Cold front is pushed through the area. We like that. Get out of here. We don't need you for the weekend. Warm and humid conditions moving out with it. Cooler conditions coming in back behind it. Tomorrow. At a high-pressure system, 60s in Buffalo, Chicago, 57 in Caribou. You're going to have a cool start to your weekend, but things will be warming up. For tonight, clearing skies, seasonable temperatures, less humid, city overnight low in the mid-60s. Also talking about suburbs, 55 to 65. And here's a look at that.
I love that. I love being able to see the high school, the films and everything.
It's a lot of fun.
It's great.
Sports in its purest form.
You bet. Makes them proud.
Yes.
All right, let's check the weather one more time, Trace.
Yes, beautiful weather forecast going into nice. It's going to be amazing.
Thank you, Trace. All right, thank you for watching. I'm Ernie Anastas.
And I'm Linda Schmidt. Have a wonderful holiday weekend.